This strategy happens every day at 3:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's called the 350 algo trade, okay? And we created something specifically for 3:50 p.m. to help determine whether you're supposed to go up or go down. And it's deadly accurate. This is the trade that I took today using the system right here. And as you can see, the trade's doing well and it does win. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. This is 3:50 p.m. today, the 21st of October. I'm going to show you how you can get into the trade that actually dumped by using the first light beacon. We are set on a setting right now at 350 algo, session 350 algo. And we are waiting for the new zone to be formed. We do not need the end cap on for this right quick. Turn that off. And there we are. And we are going to wait for price to go up and cross back down just like this. We've got our initial creation of the zone. See how it's forming? We cross up. And this beacon line is really what you want to be paying attention to. See what it's doing. And we cross down. We don't have a close down there yet. There it is right there. And get into the trade, stop at the high, target, something like that, right? And boom, there it goes. And you can actually trail the zone itself. So you trail this zone right here. But I would just take profit at this lower level down here or when you see momentum shift, right? So that is the basic of using the first light beacon to take the 3 algo trade. Now, this isn't just a one-off thing. This happens all the time. And this is actually a strategy that's used to get into these trades. Here it is right here. Here's the previous day at 3:50 p.m. right here, 3:50 p.m. on Monday. We finally get a crossover and then a cross down, and then we get a close below. Boom, there's your short. And you put your stop somewhere around there, and we can't see it. Gonna need to scroll back to see the actual thing. Well, that's way too far. So we're just gonna use the lower, this lower, something like that to get into take profit. And then there you go. There is the 350 algo trade that happened on Monday. If you'd like to try this indicator out, you can go to firstlightbeacon.com and you can get a free trial. It doesn't just do 350 algo trades. It actually turns any time frame, any zone, New York, Asia. Like I'll show you New York real quick. So it's going to show you the dynamic zone for New York when New York starts. So this is it right here. New York comes into play, and you get your crossovers, and then you can take these scalps or these trades or whatever. And then it will give you a new New York zone every single day at 9:30 when New York starts, and you can take these zones. This is what it looks like when it is playing or moving along with price, just like this. So it's actually leading price. Then you know what's going on, and you can take trades off of it. And then there's also other options that you can do. You can go in here and you can change it to Asia, London, US pre-market, whatever. Or you can go to time-based and you can use candles. This is what I do. This is my favorite, and I use 45-minute candles with the end caps. That's with these little boxes right here. It's one of our main strategies is rejections of those end caps. You see how price came down into this end cap and pushed up. This is what it would look like. And we have strategies for this already, videos based on how to get into these trades. But you would do something like this and then get into the trade right here. Your stop loss goes right here. And then we're targeting a 2-to-1 or whatever you are comfortable targeting. And just try to get that right there. There's the 2-to-1, and then there you go. And that's what that trade would actually look like. If you have any questions on our website, you can actually go into our Discord as well and talk to me or any members or staff. And we will see you soon. And look at what it did. Came up and hit an end cap right here. These end caps are the rejection points of the candle or the zone you're using. So this is the 45-minute rejection point here. Here's one right here. This one didn't touch, but I would probably still try to take that once we broke above this zone right here. And the system is patent pending. If you have any questions, let us know.